Reaseheath College is one of the UK's leading specialist land-based colleges, which offers a range of full-time diplomas, apprenticeships and degrees, which is ideal for those looking for an exciting career in the land-based industry. The students work on the vehicles in Reaseheath's automotive workshop, which has 10 vehicle ramps, modern diagnostic equipment and a simulated MOT standard test lane. Motor vehicle students at Reaseheath College are learning their trade on the latest road cars thanks to the generosity of SYNETIQ. The vehicles are typical of the road cars which come into garages for repair or services on a daily basis. SYNETIQ cooperates also with other colleges and communities nationwide. The partnership with Reaseheath College is just one example of a wider involvement with local communities all over the UK. Each year, SYNETIQ supplies Reaseheath with around 10 modern road cars from a variety of ranges, models and styles. It is important for SYNETIQ to be prepared for the future of the vehicle industry, and SYNETIQ is committed to support the next generation taking care of environmentally friendly technologies in the UK's vehicle industry.